In this video, I'll guide you through how to invite a contributor on Squarespace. Whether you're collaborating on a project or simply need some extra hands, knowing how to efficiently add a contributor is essential for smooth teamwork. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you need to access your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand sidebar menu. This is your main navigation area, and it's where you'll find all the essential settings for your site. From here, you're going to navigate to Settings. This is where you'll find the tools to adjust various configurations for your site, including permissions. Once you've clicked on Settings, look for the option labeled Permissions. Sometimes, depending on the version or updates of Squarespace, you might see it as Permissions and Ownership. This section is crucial because it allows you to control who has access to your site and what they can do once they're in. Now, you should see an option to invite contributor. Go ahead and click on that button. This action will open a setup dialog window, which is where you'll input all the necessary information about your new contributor. It's important to be thorough here because the details you enter will determine how the contributor can interact with your site. In the setup dialog, the first field you'll encounter is contributor name. This is where you'll type in the full name of the person you're inviting. If they're a business or using a business name, make sure to input that exact identity string. This helps in keeping track of who has access and maintaining a professional setup. Next, you'll need to fill in the email address field. This is a crucial step because the email address you provide is where Squarespace will send the secure token link for access. Make sure to double check the email for accuracy to avoid any hiccups in the invitation process. Now comes the part where you decide what level of access the contributor needs. You'll see a list of permissions tiers. These tiers define what actions the contributor can take on your site. Depending on the role you want them to have, you might check one or more boxes. Make sure to review each option carefully to ensure you're giving the right level of access for their responsibilities. Once you've filled out all these fields and selected the appropriate permissions, you're ready to send the invitation. You'll see an invite button located in the upper right corner of the pane. Clicking this will send the invitation to the email address you provided, along with instructions for them to accept and access your Squarespace site. And there you have it. Inviting a contributor on Squarespace is that simple. By following these steps, you ensure that your collaborators have the right access to help move your project forward. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your Squarespace site. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.